Measure your tires. Prepare the cover. If the cover is folded or rolled, unfold it and allow it to warm up to stretch out a bit, especially in colder temperatures. Identify the top and bottom. Most covers have a designated top, often marked with a logo or design, and a slit or opening that goes around the bottom of the tire. Start by using the provided bungee ball and pull the bungee end through one grommet. Slide the tire cover over the tire. Adjust the cover until it is on evenly. For tandem axle covers, position the cover evenly onto each tire, making sure that we have full coverage. With the bungee ball in the grommet, throw the bungee behind the tire to the other side. Secure the tire by pulling the other end of the bungee through the other grommet hole. Then, pull the first end of the bungee behind the tire to the first grommet and slip the first end over the ball. Adjust for fit, ensuring that the cover fits snugly around the tire and any logos or designs are properly positioned and level. For tandem axle covers, throw the bungee behind both tires to the other side. Secure both tires by pulling the other end of the bungee through the other grommet hole. Pull the first end of the bungee behind both tires to the first grommet and slip the first end over the ball. You may need to stretch the elastic so that the loop will fit back over to the bungee ball. Secure it snugly in place.